Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Phoenix Do Stuff. Today what we're going to be doing is making a rock, paper, scissors game on Python. And I'm going to be doing this on Replit, so yeah. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below if you have any other idea of what I should do. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you guys a demonstration. So let me run this for 1 sec, I think. I need to change the VNC. I'm gonna have to add a VNC view. Okay, let me run this. Okay. And then it says pick anything from rock, paper, scissors. If you want to stop playing, type quit. So I'm just gonna do rock. This round was a tie because the computer played rock and so did I. And as you can see here, you can tell what each thing is. And here it says this round is a tie. And then I can do scissors. Okay, the computer won this round. And now I can do paper. Okay, this round was a tie. Okay, I won this round. And now if I want to finish playing, I can just do quit. And it says this game is over. Thanks for playing. Hope you enjoyed. You've done 4 rounds in this game. The computer scores 1 and your scores 1. Now, so let's get coding. Okay, so now what we're gonna do first is we're going to do import random. And then we're going to do import turtle. And now we're going to create a variable known as options. And that's going to be a list. And inside the list, we're going to do rock. One sec. Inside the list, we're going to do quotes, and then rock, and then paper, and then scissors. And then we're going to do computer score. And I'm just going to do comp because that's short for computer. And then we're going to do an underscore because when you're creating a variable, you cannot do spaces. So and then inside computer score, we're going to do 0. And then we're going to create user score. Also 0. And round. Also 0. And now we have to make our base. So for the base, we're going to do window. So we're going to make a window variable. And then we're going to do turtle dot capital S screen. What this does is it creates like a screen or a window that's going to pop up. And now we're going to make a background color, so window dot BG color, which is background color. And inside background color, I'm gonna do yellow. And then we're going to do window dot title. Rock, paper, scissors, game. So now we have the rock, paper, scissors game title. And then we're going to do window. No, now we're going to have to create a turtle, which is like a mouse or a cursor. And I'm going to name mine Bob. So Bob is equal to, so we made a variable Bob. And then we're going to use the turtle module and its function known as turtle with the capital T. So what this does, it creates a turtle that can go around your screen. And now I'm going to do bob.pu, which does pen up, which means that now the turtle will not leave behind a trace. So yeah, and then I'm going to do bob.hide turtle. That way you can't see like the turtle, like the cursor itself. So yeah. And now we're going to go to, so we're going to do bob.goto, and then Bob's going to go to, so now we're going to go to -80 by 130, and then we're going to do bob.pd, which does pen down, and now the turtle is going to leave a trace. And then once we do that, we're going to do bob dot go to bob dot go to 80 by, oh no wait, and now instead of pen down, so just delete this, never mind. We're going to do bob.write and so now the bob.write is gonna do, this is a rock, paper, scissors game. So, and then we're gonna do let's just run this much. So now, if we run this, it says this is a rock, paper, scissors game, and the screen's yellow. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a line under this. So we're gonna do Bob dot go to Bob dot go to and then we're gonna do Bob dot go to negative 200 by 120, and then we're gonna do Bob dot PD. What this does is it puts the pen down, so there will be a trace, and then we'll do Bob dot go to 200 by 120, and then we're going to do Bob dot go to 0 by 120, and then we're gonna do Bob dot go to 0 by negative 200. So the reason we put these numbers is because it gives the x-axis and the y-axis, and so that way you can use the coordinates to figure out where you want the cursor to go. So yeah, now we're gonna run this. And so we get this, and then now we're gonna do Bob dot and up, so PU, and then we're going to do Bob dot go to let's say maybe negative 80 by negative 100, maybe negative 100 by, one sec, negative 100 by 110. And then we're going to do Bob dot write computer Then we're going to do Bob dot go to 100 by 110, and then we're going to write Bob dot write, and then I'm going to write U. So that way, now it says that, and then we're gonna do Bob dot go to, you know what, actually let's just do this much. Let's see how it works. So we click run. Okay, so we have to put it a little bit more down. So maybe 100. So the y-axis is going to change to 100. Usually y comes after x. Now let's run that. Okay, so we somewhat have our base, and now we're gonna do Bob dot go to we're gonna go to negative 100 by negative 130, and then we're gonna do Bob dot dot. So what this does is it creates a dot, and now you're gonna give the size of the dot, and I'm gonna do 20 by, and then not by, and then 20, and then you're gonna do color, and the color is going to be let's do black, and then here, then you're gonna do Bob dot go to probably Bob dot go to negative 120 or 110. So negative 110 by negative 120. So let's just see, and then we're gonna do Bob dot write rock. So then it writes rock, and then we're gonna run that. And 1 sec, I need to reload. Okay, so we need to make that a little higher. So negative 90. No, wait, 1 sec. This is gonna stay 100. And then this is gonna become 120. And then this is gonna become 110. Let's see this. Okay. Yeah, that works. And now we're gonna do scissors and paper. Also, feel free to pause if you need to. Now we're gonna do Bob dot go to maybe I'd say 70. So wait, Bob. We're gonna do Bob dot go to negative 70 by negative 120. And then we're gonna do Bob dot so what this does, what is this? Okay, what that does is it does Bob dot, and then you can make the size, which I'm gonna do 20, and the color, which I'm gonna do blue, and then you're gonna do Bob dot go to Bob dot go to negative, then we're gonna do Bob dot go to negative 80, 85 maybe, 85 by negative 110, and then we do Bob and scroll. Then we do Bob dot right, and so now if we run it again, it shows scissors and rock. Maybe a little bit more space would be good. So I'm gonna do 60, and this is going to be 70. And then we're gonna do paper. So Bob dot go to let's say 130. negative 130. And then we're going to do comma. So negative 130 by negative 120. And then we're going to do Bob dot dot. And then we're going to make a dot, which size will be 20, and color will be white. And then we're going to do dot go to I'd say negative 140. 140 by negative 110. And then we're going to do Bob dot write paper. So let's run this. Okay, let's run that again. So we need more space here. So we're going to change that go to 145. Let's run that. Okay, perfect. So we have rock, paper, and scissors. Now what we're going to do is so now we have our base, and now we just need to get like the game to work technically. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do while loop, which runs for a while loop is a loop you can't tell how many times it'll run, but a for loop you can tell how long it should run. But right now we're using a while loop, and then so we're going to do while true with a capital T. And then inside the loop we're going to do comp choice equals to random dot choice. So now it picks from that, and now I want it to pick from options, the list we made. And then we're gonna do user choice. So that, and then inside user choice, we're gonna do random dot, actually not random, sorry. We're gonna do input. And then we're gonna do quotes. And then inside the quote, we're gonna write, please pick anything from rock, paper, or scissors. If you want to stop playing, please type quit. And then what I'm gonna do is that creates a tiny arrow, and then we're going to do if user choice equals to rock. So what this does is the equal is kind of like so one equal to sign kind of creates a variable, and then equals to mean what like it's like equal to in a way, equivalent in a way. So yeah, if user choice equals to rock, we're gonna do Bob dot go to maybe 80 by 0, and then we're gonna do Bob dot equals to, parentheses, and then inside the dot we're gonna give the size, which is 80, and then the color, which is black. Now we're gonna do the same for scissors and paper. So I'm just going to quickly do that. Okay, so I've put the paper and scissors. So if you want to quickly write that, you can pause and I'll just wait for a second. Okay, now that you're done with this, we are going to do elif user choice equals to quit. We're gonna break the loop. And then we're gonna do else you print we're gonna print error you played something invalid, and then we're gonna do that, and I'm just gonna write error again because I want to, and then else then we're going to do if one sec. comp choice equals proc. We're gonna do bob dot go to so bob dot go to, we're gonna go to, let's see, negative 80 by 0, and then we're gonna do bob dot and then we're gonna, inside that, we're gonna give the size, which is 80 by 80 by, and then the color, which I'm gonna do black. And I'm gonna do that for paper and scissors, so I'll be right back. Now I've done that, and I'm going to give you a little time to pause and type it up yourself. Okay, now that you have done that, we're gonna do else we're gonna do you print error. So I'm just gonna copy this error. So here we're gonna do print error something went wrong. Then we're gonna do something went wrong. Okay, and then now we've done that, let's just quickly do a demo. So we run this again. And then I'm gonna do rock. Okay, the computer also played rock, as you can see. So maybe paper. Okay, so the computer continued to play rock. Let me play scissors. Okay, so I think it's working. Yeah. Okay. I don't think the computer played paper yet, so I'm gonna play paper. Okay, but it works. So yeah. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do we have to make the points system and everything. So now we're gonna do if user choice equals to comp choice. We're going to do print this round was a tie. Okay, and then we're gonna do if elif user choice equals choice equals to rock and comp choice equals to scissors or user choice equals to paper, or no, yeah, paper and comp choice equals to rock or user choice equals to scissors and comp choice paper. Comp choice equals to paper. We're going to do this thing, and then we're going to do print you won this round. Now we're going to do the same thing for computer. So I'm gonna quickly do that, and yeah. Okay, so now that we've done that, what we're gonna do now is we are going to add the points. So since it was a tie, no one gets points, but when you win, like the user, you have to do user user score plus equal to 1. So that way you're adding 1 to the user score. And now you have to do the same for rounds. So now you do rounds plus equal to 1. And you have to do that for tie too. So rounds equals to plus equal to 1. And then for computer, you have to do comp score plus equal to 1 and rounds plus equal to 1. Now I'm going to give you a second to pause and write this up. Okay, great, you're done. And now what we're going to do is else. Also, this has to be properly indented. Indentation is actually very important in Python usually. And now we do and now in else we do error. We have to do print error, something went wrong. So I'm just going to copy paste the error, something went wrong, error. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print an F string. So out of the if statement and the else statements, you're going to go and then you do print. And then print, and then you do F, and then you make a string. So this string is going to be so one, I will do one without an F string that says this game is over. Thanks for playing. Hope you enjoyed. And then we're going to do print and then this is going to be an F string. So F and then these quote things, and then inside the quote things you're going to do you have done and then you do curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets you type rounds. So it says you have done, let's just say 6 rounds, and then you just now you hear type rounds. So when you type rounds, it prints the value of rounds, because rounds is a variable. And then you do print print and then another F string, So just to make it easier, we are going to do copy paste. So I'll pause and do that. Okay, I've done this. I'm gonna give you a second to type it. Okay, and now let's run it and see how our code works. So let me stop the code and run. Okay, so I'm gonna do rock, and we won this round because rock beats scissors, and then I'm gonna do paper, and the computer won this round, and now I'm gonna do scissors. Okay, computer won this round. Okay, this round was a tie, so our code works. So now we just do quit, and this game is over. Thanks for playing. You've done 4 rounds. Your scores, computer score is 2 and your score is 1. And it worked. I hope you had a fun time coding with me, and I hoped it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below if you have any other ideas of what I should do. Bye!